Good morning class 10th. So today we start the question number 4th and 5th of exercise 1.1. These are very important question and toughest question of this chapter. So we have to focus on these two questions, and after that exercise 1.1 also completed. So what is the question? Use Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Okay, here 3 is given. 3 is what? B is the 3, where a is equals to bq plus r. Similarly here 6 is what? B. I think you remember the question number 2 also, so don't get confused. This is the B only. So I take a number, let a be any positive integer. I taken the let a be any positive integer, and a is equals to bq plus r. A is equals to bq plus r. What is the value of b? B value is given what? 3. And you all know the value of r is what? Greater than equals to 0 and less than is equals to b. So the value of r is 0 to 3. This is the value of r. So we can find a is equals to what? 3q plus 0. First r value is 0. The values are r 0, 1, 2. These 3 is the value of the r. The value of a is equals to 3q plus 0. Second is a is equals to 3q plus 1. Then third one, a is equals to 3q plus 2. These 3 values are there: 3q, 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. These are the 3 positive integers. Now the question said that show that the square of any positive integer. Our positive integer is what? A is equals to 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. There is square. Square is equals to 3m or 3m plus 1. We have to prove them for the square. So first one I take a is equals to 3q. There is square. Squaring both the side. So here a square is equals to 3q square. Here square is there, I write here. Okay, so a square is equals to 9q square. And one more thing, what can I write in the place of this? Can I write this one also? Both are right. 3 is a 9, 9q square same only. And here I take let 3q square is equals to m, where m is any positive integer. N is any positive integer. So a square is equals to 3m. First thing I proved, he said only 3m in the question also. Second, if I take a is equals to 3q plus 1, again squaring both the side. I do directly now. 3q plus 1 square. A square, here what the number came? 9q square plus 1 plus 2a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into 3 6q. Now a square, I adjust something, 9q square, 6q will come here and plus 1 will go there. Same only, both are same statement only. If you see clearly, both are same only. What is the common here? 3 and 3q square plus 2q plus 1. I take this as the m. Same m is any positive integer. A square is equals to 3m plus 1. Second I also prove. If I take the third one, a is equals to 3q plus 2. Again squaring both the side. 3q plus 2 square. A square 9q square plus 4 plus 2ab. 2 into 3 6, 6 into 2 12q. 2ab. Now a square, again I adjust this one, 9q square plus 12q plus 4. One more thing I can do here, if you see clearly, if I write 4, 3 plus 1, can I write this also? Mark this point, very important. 3 plus 1. Now what is the common here? 3. What the left? 3q square, 4q plus 1 plus 1. I take this as the m. So a square is equals to 3m plus 1. So after that you write from the question. Hence we proved that, you can write in your own language, we proved that the square of any positive integer is the either form of the 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m, from the question only. And you get the answer also. If you see 3m, this one 3m plus 1, and this one also 3m plus 1. Now the question number 5th, same as it is. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is the either form of the 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Same as it is, we have to do up to there. I will not do again from here. Question number 5 from same, you have to take the number, the value of is also 3 also, this also same, this also same, this also same, this also same, this is also same. But in the place of squaring you have to do the cube, because it is written in the question, cube both the side. Can you get it now? So I do from the after this I can do directly. Okay, so students, you have to write up to there again, then after this is this one. Now cube both the side. The whole question is same. In this one you have to do the cube only. A cube, 3 cube, whole cube. A cube, the cube of 3 is 27 cube. Now I want the answer in 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So what I write here, I can write here 9, 3 cube. Can I write this one? 9 3 is 27, and take this as the m, where m is the any positive, m is any positive integer. So a cube is equals to 9m. First thing I proved. Second number is what? A is equals to 3 cube plus 1. Again cubing both the side. Here is equals to there. 3 cube plus 1 whole cube. A cube. Now a plus b whole cube I write here identity. If you see, identity is what? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is the identity I write here. A cube 27 cube plus b cube 1 plus 3a square 9q square b as it is plus 3a b square 1. 27 cube plus 1, 9 3 is 27 q square plus 3 3 is 9 cube. A cube. Now 27 cube plus 27 q square plus 9 cube plus 1. What is the common here? I think 9. 3 cube plus 3 q square plus cube plus 1. I take this as the let m. So answer came 9m plus 1. And the last and final, that a is equals to 3 cube plus 2. Again cube both the side. 3 cube plus 2 whole cube. A cube. Now a plus b whole cube, again formula this one. A cube, the 27 cube plus b cube, the cube of 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, plus 3a square b, 3a square b is what? 2, plus 3ab square, a as it is, b square is what? 4. A cube 27 cube plus 8, 9 3 is 27, 27 into 2 54 q square, 3 3 is 9, 9 4 is 36 q. A cube. Now 27 cube plus 54 q square plus 36 q plus 8. Rewrite again. Now what is the common in this? I can take 9 as the common. 9 3 is 9 6 is 9 4s plus 8 as it is. Now this has the m. A cube is equals to 9m plus 8. Hence prove. After that you write from the again question that hence the cube of any positive integer is the form of the 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Repeat these two questions 4 to 5 times, then only you get how to do these questions, because these two questions are very difficult. So do it again and again. So thank you class.